In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can find out if your Facebook account is actually being hacked. So first, you want to go to your profile, select settings and privacy, select activity log, and then scroll down to security and login information. If you look at the login times and login dates, so for example, this is October the 1st and this is 8:59. If you check those times, then somebody else have access to your account. So you want to ensure that you change your password and enable multi-factor authentication. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.